Hello students, today we are going to study simplification of canonical POS form using K-map. Last lecture we studied the K-map simplification for POS form. Today we study the simplification of K-map for POS, product of sum. In a minimization procedure, the given POS expression consists of max term. Corresponding to every max term, enter 0 in the K-map. Enter 0 in the K-map. Enter once in the remaining cells of K-map. Encircle the zeros instead of ones for carrying out for the simplification, and these rules are exactly same those for the simplification of SOP form. Only here change is for the max term you have to enter the zeros on the K-map, and remaining cells in the K-map you have to enter ones, and instead of ones you have to encircle for zeros. That is the procedure for the minimization of POS expression. First, one example. In this example, that find the expression or minimize the term, that is the minimization of POS expression. That minimization of POS expression, y is equal to pi m. This is pi m. So 0, 2, 3, 5 and 7. This pi m, in this pi m indicate that these values are max term, and that expression is in the form of POS form, and for this values are from 0 to 7, so we require the 3 variable K-map structure. 3 variable K-map structure. In this 3 variable K-map structure, their boxes are 8. So A, B, C, and in this expression, this is a M0, 0, 1. For every boxes there are miniterm position 4, 5, 7, 6. This 0 is a M0. This is a M0 into M2 into M3 into M5 into M7. These are the POS terms or max term. These are the max terms. So this is the max term indicative. So for 0 is a 0, 0, 0, 0. 2 means 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. 3 means 0, 1, 1. 5 means 5, that 5 number, or you have to take one example, that only 3 or 7 in this value, not here 5 in this example. 7 as a indicating as a number as a 1, 1, 1. So in this K-map you have to enter the 0. 0, where is 0? Here. That 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. And this is the 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here in a POS you have not enter that A bar, B bar, C bar. In that SOP you have to enter. But in that logic consider as a 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. That 0, 0 means M0. Then this is the max term. So for the max term you have to enter in the K-map as a logic 0. As a 0 in a POS form. This is the 2. 0, 1, 0. This is the 0. So you have to enter here 0. In a SOP you have to enter for min term as 1 and remaining boxes for 0, and encircle the for the grouping as a 1, but here encircle for zeros. Next term is a 3, 0, 1, 1. We have to enter here. Next 7, 1, 1, 1. And remaining boxes you have to enter 1 and encircle the for the zeros. This is the first group. This is the group 1, and this 0 and this group. Group 1, and this is the group 2. In this POS expression, we have to put the logic for max term as a 0, remaining boxes are 1, and in this grouping there are the grouping of zeros. Then you have to solve the expression that for the POS expression y is equal to first group 1. Group 1, this is the group 1 side corners. Then that expression is in the SOP form, in a POS form. So first as a this term as a a plus b plus c, and this is the a plus b bar plus c, for one as a in a max term as a bar indicating, so a plus b plus b. Then you have to solve that bracket multiplication. This is multiplied to all bracket, this b is multiplied for all bracket, this c is multiplied for all bracket, and you have to simplify that expression. After that simplification, that expression for the group 1, you have to get the answer as a plus c. You have to solve that bracket and use the laws. So after simplification of bracket, you have to get the answer as a group 1 a plus c. Then next group 2. Group 2, that group 2 is this one pair, this one pair. So group 1, this is the, for this 0 row column, a plus b bar plus c bar, and this a bar b bar plus c bar. You have to solve the bracket and answer for the group 2. Solving that two expression, you have to get the answer b bar plus c bar, and total answer a plus c b bar plus c bar. This is the total answer for this K-map, or for that max term. That answer in a POS form. This is the POS simplification. Next one problem, second problem for the POS expression. Directly given one K-map, directly given one K-map without max term, directly given the K-map A B C 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 3 2 4 5 7 6. Every box is having the min term position 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1. Directly K-map is given. You have to group that, this one group one pair, and this one group that another pair. So first group, this is the group 1, and this is the group 2, this is the group 2. So for group 1 answer, you have to simplify group 1. This is a group 1, this 0 for group 1, that term a plus b bar plus c bar, for this 0 a b bar plus c bar. Next this 0 a plus b bar plus c. You have to solve the bracket. This a into a, this a in plus a into b bar, this a into c. Next this a b bar, next b bar into b bar, this b bar is multiplied to c bar, b bar c. Next this a plus c bar, next this b bar c bar, next c bar into c. You have to solve the bracket, but law a into a into a, b bar into b bar, that b a into a law, but here that law b bar into b bar, b bar. And another law c bar into c, a bar into a 0, that law apply for that term, c bar into c bar, c into c bar 0. So group 1 equation, this a into a b bar, next ac a b bar plus that this term and this term is same, so a b bar plus a b bar, that law a plus a, so this term is a b bar, a b bar. So only one term here, a b bar. So group 1 a into a, this term is a b bar, these two terms are same, so that law a plus a, so this term is a plus a into b bar, so this is one term. Next term is a c bar, next term b into b bar, b bar into b bar, b, next term b bar c, next term a c bar, next b bar c bar, and this c into c bar 0. After that simplification, in this a 1 plus b bar, next term this and this, for these two terms a c plus c bar, next for these two terms b bar 1 plus c bar, and last term b bar c bar. After simplification, 1 plus a law is a, so that term 1 plus b bar is equal to 1, so this term is a. Next term a, c plus a plus a bar is equal to 1, so this term is a. Next this term also b bar. For this for this term you have to use the law. Next term b bar c bar, last term. After that a plus a, term a. Next form this term b bar 1 plus c bar. Then next after that you have to use here law. So for group 1 answer is a plus b bar. This is the group 2. For group 2 this is equation a plus b bar plus c bar, a bar plus b bar plus c bar. This is the POS form. After that solving the bracket, this is equation, and for every step you have to use the Boolean laws. A into a bar 0 plus a b bar plus a c bar plus a bar b bar plus b bar into b bar, that law a into a, so this term is b bar. Next term b bar c bar, next term a bar c bar and plus c bar. You have to take the common terms and solve the bracket. For in here we use the Boolean laws, and after that simplification we have to get the answer b bar plus c bar. And final answer for group 1 answer a plus b bar, and group 2 answer b bar plus c bar. And this is the final answer for this K-map. This is the expression in the form of POS form, and that terms are max term. For max term you have to get the answer as an answer in the POS form. And next lecture we study the next K-map simplification with don't care condition. Thank you.